Today we are going to study about the image formation by the lens. First of all, I want to tell you about the lens. A lens is a transparent piece of glass which has spherical surfaces. Okay, any transparent piece of glass which has spherical surfaces is known as lens. Okay, and what is the uses of the lens? It is used in the spectacles for the correction of the vision. It is used in the binoculars. It is used in the telescope, and it is used in the magnifying glass. Okay, magnifying glass is an instrument which is used to enlarge the image, which is used to form the image of the object larger. So there are two types of lens: convex lens and concave lens. Okay, there are two types of lens: convex lens and concave lens. What is convex lens? A lens which is thicker. A lens which is thicker at the center, at the middle, while thinner at the edges, is known as convex lens. Convex lens is also a piece of transparent piece of glass which is having spherical surface, but convex lens is thicker at the middle. It is thicker at the middle, at the center, while thinner at the edges. And concave lens, a lens which is thinner at the center. A lens which is thinner at the center while thicker at the edges. While thicker at the edges is known as concave lens. Let's see the question. Draw the ray diagram for the formation of image when an object is placed between f and 2f in front of convex lens. Now, first of all, in this question, first of all, we will draw the convex lens. First of all, you have to write the question and leave 3 lines below the question and bold the 4th one line with the help of pencil and the scale. Bold the 4th one line with the help of pencil and the scale, like this. Take a compass and open it up to 4 centimeter. Place the needle of the compass at the left side of the line, like this. Okay, I have marked a dot, and at this dot I have placed the needle of the compass and draw an arc such that the arc is at the middle of the line. Okay, now having the same measurement of the compass, which is 4 centimeter, place the needle of the compass at the other side of the arc, like this. Here we have to place the needle of the compass and draw another arc such that both the arcs form a lens, a convex lens. The 2 points where you have placed the needle of the compass, mark these points with the help of the pencil and named it 2F. Draw a vertical line at the middle of the lens. The point at which the vertical line intersects the line, mark the dot and name it O. O means optical center. Okay. Mark 2 points which are the mark 2 points which are the midpoints of O and 2F and named it as F. F means focus. Okay. Now in the question, read the question. In the question you have to place the object between F and 2F. In this question you have to place the object between F and 2F. So at the left side of the lens, draw an object. Object means you have to draw a vertical line between F and 2F of height 1 centimeter. You have to draw a vertical line between F and 2F of height 1 centimeter and mark the arrow at the top of the line. Now here we have to form the image. First of all, draw a straight line that moves from the top of the object, that starts from the top of the object and moves parallel to the principal axis and strike the vertical line. Okay. This is the ray. When this ray passes through the lens, then it passes through the point of the focus. Draw another line which also starts from the top of the object and passes through the point O and move straight, passes through the point O. Both the rays meet at a point. Both the rays after passing through the lens meet at a point. Draw a vertical line which meets the principal axis and mark the arrow like this. So in this diagram, if you have to place the object between F and 2F, then the image is formed beyond 2F. The position of the image is beyond 2F, and the nature of the image, since the image is inverted, so the nature of the image is real and inverted. Okay. So in this diagram, you have placed the object between F and 2F and the image is formed beyond 2F. Let's see the second one question. Draw the ray diagram for the formation of image when an object is placed beyond 2F in front of convex lens. So here we will use the same method to draw the lens. First of all, below the question, leave 3 lines and bold the 4th one line with the help of pencil and scale. Take a compass and open it up to 4 centimeter. Place the needle of the compass on the line and draw an arc. Now place the needle of the compass on the opposite side of the line and draw another arc. Okay. Draw a vertical line at the middle of the lens and mark the point O. Okay. These points are known as 2F. Now locate the point F. As I have told you, how will it be located? Okay, the point F. Now here we have to place the object beyond 2F. Okay, we have placed the object beyond 2F. The same method we will apply. Now, the first line, which will start from the top of the object, move parallel to the principal axis and strikes the lens. The emergent ray will move straight and passes through the point F. Okay. Now we will draw a second line which will also start from the top of the object and move straight, passing through the point O. Both the rays meet at a point, form the image. So in this diagram, the image is formed between F and 2F. So we will write the position of image between F and 2F, and nature of image is real and inverted. Okay, like this, location of image between F and 2F, nature of image real and inverted. Okay beta, thank you very much.